What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button down there in the corner. In this video, we're looking at a Harbor Freight vise, and this is a 6-inch. Let's say this is a 6-inch Harbor Freight vise, brand new out of the box. We did an installation video on it on the channel. You can review that. And we noticed here, testing this vise out with a 3-pound hand sledgehammer, hitting this thing, and look right there. Look at that. The plate, the anvil plate on this vise. That is a 1/2-inch anvil plate, smashed right in with a 3-pound sledge. Look at that. Pretty cheap metal. Must be you know, that cheap China shit. Let's see if it does it again right here. We'll try right here in the center. Get a good angle here on it. Hold him. You can see a couple marks right there. There we go, right there. Cheap China metal. What do y'all think out there in YouTube world? In the comments. Any of y'all dealt with these Harbor Freight vices before? Look at that. The jaws don't even line up all the way. Let's check the stability of this thing when it cranks out. It wobbles real bad, and it appears it's going to. Probably because it's got really wide teeth on the gears. Spin her open here. Let's see. Oh yeah, it definitely got a lot of wobble. I don't know if y'all can see that there. You know, it's the actual housing itself. That means the spider gears up under here. Yeah, real wide teeth. So that means up in there, yeah, it's going to cause it to vibrate, shake real bad if you got anything big in there. So in other words, that means that steel that's in this rod and probably going to be cheap ass steel. So you go to beating on this vise, you're probably stripping the teeth and break it. Excuse me, you're probably going to break them teeth right off them gears and break this vise. Well, I guess that's what happened when you buy hot China shit. But let me know out there in the comments. Any of y'all got any of these Harbor Freight vices? Like I said, this is the 6-inch. You know, and it's like it's brand new and plates don't even line up. Oh well. As they say, I guess you get what you pay for. Well, hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about these cheap ass Harbor Freight vices. Y'all have a great day.